Chairman Mr. Jimmy, the CEO, government officials present, staff of Taifa Sacco, leo asubuhi ya madhuhuli hamjaboni. Katukigeithanie mwathani arogoshwo. Bwana asifiwe. Roho wake ngurino Jesu ni mũrĩithi na kũngĩũkwo. Bas nĩndona andũ amwe haha marĩ ngũrino hau thikũ cia kaberabere. Ndeto icio nĩ mũracimenya wega. Just in earnest, let me take this opportunity to say that how grateful I am, how delighted I am to be in the midst of these great men and women who have steered this circle to where it is. But just before I move on, let me invite or recognize that with me I have two guests. First and foremost, I have Narumoro member, Taifa Sacco, and also my dear wife. Just wave to the cloud, Mama Inaina. Mama Inaina. We are here with her because we are family of Taifa. And it is in Taifa that we thrive. And we are happy to be associated with the Taifa. Mr. Ngoge, thank you muno nudua everything that has happened. Let me say one thing. You have a very wonderful team. Particularly the musicians that gave us and they belted their number here. Modogu eto Clement na Chieni na Mathenge ni mwaina wega muno. No karimina wa hiyo matina ina wega. Dogo gwanega mumenye nie ndiri mugeni Taifa. I know even the staff by their names. Yeah? James, may I ask? Maundu maya ni guthoma kana ni guciarwo na magutongoria Taifa? Ni guthoma kana ari cukuru ukimathoma? Kana ni guciarwo na mo kana ni gwikora? Oh yeah, todo. Well, let me say that Taifa uria ndimiui no uria tutwaranite now. Adoane trained muno. I have worked with Mr. Morage, I have worked with Chieni in Nairobi. Nakinya twathie Nairobi tutithinaga Ngugi. Niona ndiwe guthie KCB ndathie Nairobi thiaga kwa Chieni. Hare agaruta tumang'otore twakwa ngeka uria ngwikaga. At 50 years, we are very happy of you and we are very proud of you. Uria mwikite na go transform business people. Nimugeretie muno. Nitugukite na chairman wa business community na Rumoro, Mr. Maina Besha. Yeah, he's there. Gukite na Maina nigetha amenye kuria turutaga besha cia wira. Tomuhota gweciria tuthiaga bengi icio ingi. Ithuĩ tuthiaga Taifa na nikuo tukuriire na niho tukinyitie hau tukinyite ni undu wa gutwarana na men of women who understand our vision. Na nikio nie ngeikagwa Taifa ndikwendaga introduce wota mutetio na hanini igenda moni introduce hana moko introduce ite. Muge introduce ile hara mo introduce ile andu aria muteithĩtie Taifa. Taifa rĩrĩa yokire na Rumoro was long time ago, just a few years ago. Na makorire Chieni, hĩndĩ twetagwo Ebeneza. Matukorire tuthinĩte muno. Todo between Narumoro and where the banks were in either Nyeri or Nanyuki, we were victims of thieves. Twahoragwo tukayirwo njira-ini tutanakinya bengi tukagĩa na attack one after the other nginya ngikinya handu ha gwiciria kuhinga biashara. But the arrival of Taifa in Narumoro, they changed my thinking. Nginya ngĩambĩrĩria gwiciria biashara yakwa nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere. I banked with them from the first day they arrived in Narumoro. Today we are still banking with them. Taifa neshajetie mwishiriria na mwikire wakwa maundu muno. Todo my journey, I wouldn't talk of my political journey. I am a toddler in that. But in my business journey, it's too long. I can't enumerate everything that I've done here. Particularly Nyeri. This is the city I've been a hawker. For more than 4 years, I was hawking in this town. Kwediarota be, toramutua mata, doe, mahiga matochi, wodiena badishia tagwo chairman karatina gashoka gedagia. That has been me. Kogo ore aginyete taifa ne transformate hado hanene muno. Da kodino nato metuto nini taifa kirehe transformation gyogerera to metuto. Thank you taifa. May you glow and glow forever. Ginyamotu yake magradi father Sacco irie gesio the irie goku. This is what I would wish you to be. Igetu akwali yakirugano kiu ni kinene muno. But the most important thing nirerea kora koriro na JNS. Chireto JNS kana ireto atia irichira to Nyeri irire. Nirea ndira iru na ndira na thire wa taifa. Doimo goka na mathanoa mukioragia becha cianyu kuria ire tone daio na nyumba ne cia chino ne anake. But you console me. I want to thank the team that came, led by Jane, Clement, Masharia, and others. But what has not been burnt in you is your great ideas. That was a very important moment. The rest is history. You seem to be reading very good and important books. PhD, because the way you have brought this matter, particularly on the strength of brief and thinking, it is very good. Right now I'm doing the heartbeat by Dr. Silverstein. Before her, I was doing a book by Mrs. Obama, The Becoming. Well, I also jog my mind and I read a lot. The exercise of, the only way you can exercise your brain is by reading. The other thing, Mr. Kiradeota Nerado and Yatiriri, Jesus daragi ohoroa aduaria atumia digwa aduaria roaru aduaria mahana na gutiga mehia. Jesus was also another great man in business. Nikyo ito in chapter gekojone keriganagira muno, let me say. No hado Jesus waragia kauga atiriri damuhaire chirigidate agerehe ire 60 gemuhe 20 akirehe ire 30 ogwo no hare jamba ya negerirwo otachio egechokio tachio eogweciria. That was an economic gospel by Jesus Christ. Tondu ni akiria guturuta horo wa kwonjorithia na nie hau ni thomaga muno ngahanyita ngakimenya ni kwonjoria na nie ngatuika mwonjoria munene. Gwenda kuga taifa Sacco riria yokire yatuika ya kwarama ni andeithirie muno ku expand Chieni tondu ndathie muiga ndendia muiga. I don't take money, I bank at muiga. Ndathie kiawara ndathie uguo andu akwa oria marathi mathie makiendaga mathia makibankaga oria maragethie. So ndui no ndege kombere o haha mugikiherutha ndui no nyambiririe ngombo ende kiuge mundu Jimmy ona dai yore kiria matana yore aderirwo ni Clement ni hakiri ciakwa ire sawa. I am in light capacities onogehe igetiga irio ahete no ndicio rutithie wira. Kwa don't fear me, I'm not going anywhere. Karibu Nyeri ya Kianda. Ithio toikaraga Nyeri ya Kianda. Riria mwokire ni ndakenire.